inundated homes that had previously been recovering from the impacts of Hurricane Ian 2 years earlier. At the peak of the storm, maximum sustained. Hurricane Milton, which formed in early October 2024, made landfall and tornadoes that touched down across various counties. For instance, 6 fatalities occurred in St. Lucie County. Of destruction across central Florida, affecting cities like Orlando, Tampa, and Fort Myers. As of October 11th, at least 16 fatalities have been confirmed, with multiple injuries reported. Most of the deaths were attributed to flooding, fallen trees, 20 miles per hour. The storm quickly weakened after landfall, but left detrits and caused significant property damage. In some areas, storm's impact was exacerbated by its rapid movement and the storm surge that followed, which flooded numerous neighborhoods where several tornadoes were reported. This all on October 10th as a powerful Category 3 hurricane near Siesta Key, Florida, with over 2.6 million customers were without power across Florida. Emergency crews, including the Coast Guard and local fire departments, have been deployed for search and rescue operations. They successfully rescued over 500 residents trapped in a flooded apartment complex in Clearwater. Federal response teams, including FEMA, have also been mobilized to assist in recovery efforts, with President Biden announcing the deployment of thousands of federal personnel. Milton's approach was accompanied by a record number of tornado warnings, leading to additional destruction across central Florida. The National Weather Service reported several confirmed tornadoes, particularly in St. Lucie and Polk counties, further complicating recovery efforts. Dangerous floods persist across northern Florida and Georgia. Evacuate immediately if you are in a flood-prone area. Tornadoes remain a threat across inland areas. Stay alert and seek shelter if warnings are issued. Over 2.6 million people remain without power. Expect prolonged outages. Roads are flooded or blocked by debris. Do not travel unless necessary. In the midst of the chaos, several remarkable moments were captured on camera.
Florida, can you pull your boat up to the grocery store, baby? Look at that.
Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh!
Now, we anticipate significant storm surge and intense winds moving into the area as the storm impacts our community. The time to leave is now. This is the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office. Mandatory evacuation has been ordered for your area. Please leave now. We anticipate significant.
Well, it's getting... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Those are our neighbors' houses. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Tornado! Tornado! I told you guys. Look. We got...
Join me as I raise around Milton train to capture the clearest footage of reconvening Milton and Shanghai. Significant welcome map that puts the attention of residents and operators alike. The storm approached residents of Shanghai were bracing themselves for the worst, with many taking to social media to express their concern about the impending weather. Authorities, on the other hand, were working out the plan to prepare for the storm as well, issuing warnings in various areas to ensure public safety. The challenges faced by residents and operators in Shanghai were good, from evacuating the land relief to security outdoor furniture and decorations that could become project tools by strong winds. Typhoon Bebinka was a power storm that made its way through China, bringing with it heavy rain, strong winds, and widespread disruption to the city of Shanghai. As the night flamed, storm was a 2024 Pacific Typhoon Cyclone. Bebinka was with winds up to 100 km/h expected, the potential for damage and disruption was high. In addition to the physical challenges posed by the storm, there were also concerns about the potential impact on the daily life, with many residents worried about the disruption to public transportation and initial level services. As the storm drew close, the sense of unease was palpable, with many people staying indoors and waiting for the crash to pass. As the storm from flooded streets to uprooted trees, the sound of the storm's impact were everywhere. The winds were so strong that it was ironic to made landfall. I ventured out into the Milton and Shanghai to capture the intense footage you are about to see. With my camera in hand, I prayed to the divine for rain and howling winds to bring law enforcement to come up with the strongest power and fury. The rain was coming down in sheets, reducing visibility to almost zero and making it difficult to stand upright in the face of the need. But despite the challenges, I was determined to capture, as full was the storm and what I saw was truly inspiring. Debris and clean it through the air, creating a sea of water, chaos and destruction. The cries of pedestrians seeking shelter were drowned out by the roar of the wind. The people struggled to make their way through the flooded streets. Cars were abandoned, their lights flashing beneath the drunkards, and their owners sought refuge in nearby buildings. The most intense movements of the storm were truly heart-stopping, with the extreme winds striking through the roofs of buildings and uprooted trees. The flooding was so severe that it seemed like the streets had turned into rivers, with water swirling around people as waves. But even in the midst of all this chaos, there were moments of sheer drama and bravery as people came together to help each other and ride out the storm. From neighboring rescuing truck residents to emergency responders patrolling the monster to resolve the need, the resilience of human spirit was truly on display. In the aftermath of Typhoon Bebinka, the city of Shanghai was left to pick up the pieces and count the cost of the damage. While the full extent of the destruction was still being assessed, one thing was clear: the city had been through a traumatic and terrifying experience. Thanks for watching, and I would like to hear your thoughts about iPhone Debinka in the comments below. If you are new here, consider subscribe for more extreme weather content. I've got plenty of videos on storm, hurricane and more, so be sure to check them out.